A small story about the market of yesterday's and today's. Example, a child asks his father a chocolate, and his father, while returning home, he has took chocolate, ice creams, and a toy to make his kid happy. The kid was very happy after seeing so many things which he loved. So he was so much excited on the day. On second day again he was expected the same chocolate and all the things. But his father went empty handed on the next day. So he was very disappointed and he was very rude and he has not spoken to his father for a couple of days. The same thing the market we have seen yesterday's and today's. So this is the emotion how the market react to the news and emotions of people and emotions of taking things from the politicians and the parties. So let's begin now. Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. What a bad day in an Indian history. We have seen so much of fall in all the sector wise. There was a very good fall. Nifty and Bank Nifty, it was almost 9-10% down within a day today. We was having a very good data of FII before elections last 2 days. See how much large number of short they were holding in future short position, but still we have believed the exit poll results and the market has rallied. So we thought today the FII is going to die, but see FII is very much sharp and they are supreme because they have a very good analysis in Indian market because they are putting huge money in Indian market. So they have a good data research team. So always they are right. Who has died today? The retailers, and somehow the DII were also in loss, but anyhow it won't affect them because that's a public money only. The retailers who has trusted the present government and they have trusted the news channels and exit polls, they have died very badly today. Let's check the data of today's and we'll see what we can do and is it a good time to invest or not. So let's check FIS data in future index in long. They have reduced 15%. It means they have booked up profit on long side in early hours and they have increased their short by 15%. So they have 87% short positions and 13% long. And in option index in call, they were holding a call writing yesterday. So they have increased their call writing to 66,000 contract. So they have 7,54,000 of call writing and in put they were holding put writing of 4 lakh contract. Now they have unwinded 1.42 lakhs of contract. So still holding 2.59 lakhs of put writing. Here they are very much bearish in options as well as in future index also they are very bearish. So they have sold for 12,000 crores in the cash market. So FII is very much bearish because this is a very big event and they don't want to take a risk. That's why now they are selling in cash. So they are accumulating the cash for the coming day as the government forms, the new government forms, and as per the new government norms, they will can do the sectorial rotation or they can select a sector wise and they can invest in such stocks. So now the view of FII will be to accumulate the cash. That's why they have hedge in F&O. And we have to see when they are going to cover their short and when they are putting the cash. So until we have to observe the data. Now let's check client data. Client are the retailers. We are the retailers. So in future index, we have increased the longs and reduced the short by 8 percentage. Yesterday we were having 62 percentage long. Today we have increased and yesterday they were having 37% short. We have reduced the short. And in option index call, we were having 10 lakhs of call buying. Today we have increased 5.95 lakhs of call buying contract and in put they were having 3.40 lakhs of put buying. Today we have unwinded 1.91 lakhs of put buying. Here we have booked the profit in put buying. Simultaneously, we have increased the call buying. Still, we are the retailers believes the market has to recover from this level. So actually, it is quite possible when the FIA covered the short, there could be a short covering rally. But we don't know when it's going to happen because it's uncertain now. So whereas client have purchased for 1,656 crores. Mostly they have purchased Adani, I believe, because they are getting a 20-25% at lower circuits. Now let's check the promoters. In future index, they have also increased the longs by 3% and they have covered the short by 3%. They have 47% short and 53% long. And in option index, they were having 3 lakhs of call writing. Today they have increased their call writing by 5.27 lakh contracts. So they have 8.80 lakhs of call writing. And in put, they were having 1.29 lakhs of put writing. They have unwinded put writing and booked the profit in put writing. So unwinded 44,000 contract, still holding 85,000 contract. So here they have very much bearish in options, whereas in futures they have hedged their position 50-50 on long and short. And in cash market they have sold for 1,788 crores. And promoter is also in a profit booking mode only. They are selling in cash and accumulating the cash and they're hedging in F&O and they have safeguarding their principal. That's why they have hedged in F&O now. So total 15,887 crores the sell off we have seen today in the market. That's why there was a huge fall. So let's check the price action Nifty in 1 day time frame. So very big negative candle. It is like an hammer. It has formed a bearish hammer. So all the gain of 6 months it has wiped out today. In 1 day the 6 months gain was wiped out. So it is still wait for a couple of days to see where the market is going to settle. After that only we can go long or short. So don't think of averaging the PSU stocks and Adani stock until we see some settlement coming from the new government forms. You can take a good undervalued shares and with a good valuations, if the share you are getting at this price, you can think of buying it. So I think most of the retailers portfolio are in red today. So not to worry. Anyhow, this is just a market. Sometimes it falls, sometimes it recover, but at the end it has to go high only. So it is just wait for some of the good times. Now it is time to purchase a good value stocks only and let the market settle for now. And don't be disappointed. Market will always give an opportunity to make good money. Stay invested for long term. That's the best thing to increase your wealth. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.